Have you ever wondered how those professional window washers move so fast with the squeegee, and the windows turn out perfect? Well, there really are some tricks to it that are simple to learn, and once you do, dare I say it, you may even enjoy washing windows. It is possible. The first trick is to invest in a good squeegee. They aren't expensive and they are worth every cent. Those $1.99 ones just will not do. A professional squeegee has a very soft, rubber blade with no imperfections in it. You can also get extra rubber blades and simply replace that when it wears out. Secondly, do your windows on a cool or cloudy day. If you have to do it in the sun, do it in the morning. What you want to avoid here is heat. Heat works against you. Get a bucket of lukewarm water, not hot, and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain ammonia. Use a sponge that has a white scrubber on the other side, don't use the green ones, they are too coarse. Wet your window with the sponge side, then flip to the white scrub pad side, and scrub the window. You'll be able to feel when it's clean. You'll feel rough patches, etc. when it's still not clean. This is a step most people fail at. If the window simply isn't clean, it's going to look cloudy when done. Scrub well. You'll also need lots of clean, white cotton rags or cleaning cloths. Diapers work great here. Dry by hand a 1-inch strip at the top of the window. The trick for no streaks with the squeegee is placing the dry rubber blade on a dry window. Take the squeegee now and place it at the top of the window in that 1-inch dry strip. Pull down smoothly. Dry your squeegee blade with between each sweep. Finish window, if need be do one last sweep left to right at the bottom of the window. Take a dry, clean cloth and run with your finger down each window side and across the bottom to clean and dry the edges. They should look perfect. And you'll feel great having clean windows.